Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI MatePad 10.4, and I'll show you how to enable and disable the smart assistant on that device. So for example, now we can see that the smart assistant is activated, and if you want to turn it off when you swipe to the right side with your finger, you should, for example, first just swipe with your two fingers to the center at the same time, and after that tap on the home screen settings. Then you'll see here the assistant today, the smart assistant switcher. Just click once here to turn it off, and now we can see that the assistant is turned off successfully. If you want to turn it on again by the same way, go here to the home screen settings and tap again on the switcher to activate it. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.